Hi! Today we're going to learn about combining integration techniques. Let's say we have to compute a, the integral of e to the x times x plus 3 squared dx. So how do we do this? Well, as we can see, we're going to have to use u substitution and integration by parts. So we would have to integrate. When we do integration by parts, we have v, or we have u and v, or dv. So, but we also have to do u substitution so that we can get this down to one letter here, or do. Well, let's just see if we can use integration by parts first. So, let's say that u is x plus 3. That means that du is equal to dx. Or let's say, that u is equal to x plus 3 squared. That means du was 2 times x plus 3 dx. So as we can see, because we don't have anything outside, we don't have any extra things being multiplied or added, we can do this. However, if we did have something that was being multiplied or added, which was another term, so that wasn't a constant, then we would have to use u substitution to get this down to a single variable inside. So this is 2 times x plus 3 dx. Now dv is equal to e to the x power, meaning that v, or dx, meaning that v is also equal to e to the x. So we can use the first part of integration by parts. So because we have to apply this twice, we know that because we have a 2 as the exponent, the first part becomes that the integral I is equal to uv x plus 3 squared times v e to the x minus the integral of e to the x times du times 2, so we can move this constant out, so minus 2 times the integral of e to the x times x plus 3 dx. So now once again we have to do integration by parts. However, this time the u will be x plus 3, so not x plus 3 squared. The dv will be e to the x, meaning that v will also be e to the x, and that means that du will just be dx. It will be equal to dx. So this means that now the integral, I'm going to write it down here, I, the integral, is equal to u, this original thing here, x plus 3 squared times e to the x minus, in a bracket, u times v, or minus 2 times, in the bracket, u times v, x plus 3 times e to the x minus the integral of v du e to the x dx, bracket closed. Now we know that the integral of e to the x dx is just e to the x. So we're going to erase this and just put minus e to the x. You can simplify that more if you want, but we're just going to leave it like this for this problem. So once again, the answer is I, the integral, is equal to x plus 3 squared times e to the x minus 2, in brackets, x plus 3 times e to the x minus e to the x plus c. Don't forget the plus c. Today we learned about combining integration techniques. Thank you for watching this video.